Okay. What is this truck doing? The speed limit is 45. Now 50. Dude. There's no one ahead of you. We're doing 30 miles an hour. Oh, now you picked up some speed. How to finish that important game of Snake on your phone? Man. Dude. What?
New text message. Mega. New swim trunks have.
Does he even have this thing tied down, chained down at all? Maybe that's why he's going so slow. Dude. Really? He doesn't even have this thing. There's no way. Oh, thank goodness. Dude, he doesn't. This thing's not even chained down.